UGC NET June 2025, we have a comprehension question on probability. Based on the information below, answer the questions. 2 fair dice are thrown independently. 3 events A, B, C are defined as A, odd face with first dice, B, odd face with second dice, D, sum of the points on 2 dice is odd, and there are 5 questions related to it. So it would be nice that if we can make a table. So this is die 1 and this is die 2. Okay, let's see what is happening. We have numbers 1 to 6 on each die. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you can see that we will have a total outcomes. Total outcomes will be 36 because there are 36 boxes which are made now. 6 into 6, 36. Odd face with the first dice. So the first dice will have odd faces. So that means I'll have to, first dice, I'll have to pick 1, 3 and 5. Now with 1, I can combine all elements. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So the probability of C is going to be 18 divided by 36 because the outcomes in favor are 18 and the total outcomes are 36, which is 1 upon 2. Now we have to find out A intersection B. Now what is odd face with first dice, that is A, odd face with second dice, that is B. So now we want both the faces to be odd. So we need 1, 3, 5 on the first dice and we need 1, 3, 5 on the second dice. Okay. So if you look at these cases, I'll be having exactly 1 by 4 of the cases from the table because I'll have 1, 1, 1, 3, 1, 5. Then I'll have both the odd faces. So then I'll have 3, 1, 3, 3, 3, 5. And then I'll have 5, 1, 5, 3, 5, 5. So the outcomes are 9 and total outcomes are 36. So that is going to be 1 by 4. Now A intersection C, what is C? Sum of the points on 2 dice is odd. Okay. So A odd on first die and C sum on 2 dice should be odd. So you already have an odd number with the first dice. And if you want the sum to be odd, the second dice should show an even number. Okay, so we should have 1, 2, 1, 4, 1, 6. Then we should have 3, 2, 3, 4, 3, 6. And then we should have 5, 2, 5, 4, 5, 6. So again, we will have 9 upon 36. That is 1 by 4 will be the probability of A intersection C. Now B intersection C, sum of the point odd face with the second dice, sum of points on the 2 dice is odd. Again the same case, but this time it is going to happen with the second dice. The second dice will be having an odd number. So basically we will be having 2, 1, 2, 3 and 2, 5. Then 4, 1, 4, 3, 4, 5. And then 6, 1, 6, 3, 6, 5. So again, 9 cases out of 36. So that is going to be 1 by 4. And now you want A intersection B intersection C. A, odd face with the first die. B, odd face with the second die. C, sum of the points on the 2 dice is odd. So note that if you have A and B, that means you have odd faces on both the dices. Then the sum of the 2 on the 2 dices has to be even. So this has 0 favorable outcomes out of 36. So the answer will be 0. So these are the answers to this very simple probability question on UGC NET exam.